Happy Tuesday. Yes, it is Tuesday. I think it's April 14th. Woo, tax day is tomorrow. It is April 14th, and I just got finished shooting my mask video. And I just wanted to, I guess I am venting a little bit. And I know that my whole community is not going to see this, but I don't know. I like to have a space. I'm grateful for this space where I can just say what I can't say necessarily to the public, or maybe I can, I don't know. But when I think about the whole making masks thing, well, first of all, people have been requesting that I make masks, and it seems like every time I jump on somebody's bandwagon and do what everybody else is doing, it does not work for me. It's just like God is saying, no, I meant for you to be different. So don't, even every time I shoot my shot on the bandwagon train, he like rejected. That's how I feel. So I just, I try not to do things just for the bandwagon. So after everybody started posting all the videos about masks, I just, didn't want to do one. And so people had started requesting it, and I found my attitude being horrible about the whole situation. And so I kind of, when things like that happen and I find my attitude being abnormally bad about something, I really try to sit down and say, hey, like what's really going on? And I really realized that the whole mask situation, the idea like of seeing people in masks, and it makes me think of the hospital. And, it is hard. It's still hard for me to think about that. And I don't want to think about that. And I'm referring to, almost 3 years now ago. It'll be 3 years in June, when my husband passed away. And so, yeah, it was putting me in a bad headspace. So that is, it gives me anxiety. It puts me in a bad headspace. So I will not be, as much as possible, I will not be making hospital masks or any mask that looks like a hospital mask. That's just for my own sanity. No, I won't say sanity, because it's not a matter of sanity. It's for my own peace. It's for my own joy, like even the beepy 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 that you hear in hospitals, I don't like that sound. I hear it on TV shows and stuff like that, but that is not a pleasant sound for me. So yeah, I know as a DIY channel, it's something everybody expected, but I have to do what's best for me. And I don't know if you ever been in a house where your mama got a bad attitude. It's not pleasant. So I don't want my kids to be in a house where I'm in a bad headspace. So I have committed myself to making videos that help people to kind of get their minds off. Even the first couple of videos that I made directly about everything that's happening, it was about how you can, occupy your time at home and not focus so much on the bad stuff that's happening. Because the thing is that if it's not directly affecting you and your family, it's a blessing, because those times come, and when they come, it's your time. It's your time to mourn. It's your time to go through that stuff. So, when it's not your time, you don't want to be reminded constantly of those things. So I'm not a constant news watcher. I stay up to date on, the facts and figures of everything, and definitely stay prayerful for everybody, because I know what loss is. And it's not easy. So yeah, so that's why I won't be making any masks. I've seen enough masks in my lifetime to last a lifetime. And I know it won't be the last time a family member or somebody I love, that I'll see them in the hospital. I'm fully aware of that. But like I said, when that time comes, I don't want to spend every waking moment until that time thinking about that. So I applaud those who are dropping everything to make masks and to supply everybody with masks. But that can't be me at this point in time. So, I didn't intend on that being, yeah, whatever. But yeah, so that is why I am doing what I'm doing. I don't owe anybody an explanation. I know that. But I did want to say that on camera. I don't even know if I'm going to publish this. I don't know if it's ever going to make it out into the world. But just know that, you know, whatever people choose to do during this time, they're doing what's best for them. You know, now I encourage everybody to stay in the house, you know, as much as possible. But, you know, we have to do what keeps us all in a good head space, a good heart space, you know, because we don't want to be messed up after all of this is over. Yeah, we don't want to be messed up after all of this is over. So thank you to every person that is a subscriber to this channel and a supporter of this channel. I appreciate you guys so much. And even a couple people have said thank you for not making mass videos and making all of your videos about you know, what's going on. But yeah, I just wanted to say that. And yeah, I have a bunch of other videos planned, super entertaining videos, informational videos that I hope you guys will want to see during this time. But I'm not going to focus all of my time on, you know, on what's going on right now in the world. So I hope you guys understand that. And yeah, that's it.